Hi everyone, welcome back to my flea tale finds. I'm getting ready to go to the flea market this weekend to sell. Hopefully it won't be too cold. So I just wanted to show you some of the pieces that, some of the jewelry that I'm going to be bringing with me. I wanted to start off with some of the gold. Now, some of this jewelry you may have seen in some of my other videos. A lot of it you haven't, like this pendant necklace. This is a camphor glass with a tiny diamond. It's a 14 karat gold. This I don't think you've seen, or maybe you've seen me wear this. This is a signet ring, pinky ring with initials carved. This was I think $2. Then I got this. This is a tie pin. It was like $3. It's 14 karat gold, onyx, and there's also a tiny diamond in here, nice sparkly diamond. And then this is by Mikimoto. So I don't know if you can see there, probably can't focus in on it, but Mikimoto started in the late 1800s, and this is in 14 karat gold. At first I thought it was a pendant, but it's actually a tie clasp, or I guess could be worn as a pendant. Mikimoto makes some of the finest cultured pearls. So the difference between a cultured pearl and a natural pearl is that pearls come from oysters, and these pearls come from oysters, and a piece of sand is put into the oyster, and it causes an irritation, and that's what produces over time the pearl. A natural pearl is something where man is not involved, but they've been around a long time and make top quality pieces. Their things are very expensive, and I paid, I guess, like $15 for this. So now this is everything else that I'm going to try to sell. I tried to get everything neatly organized. So I'll go through some of the things with you. So this is a watch that I picked up not too long ago. It's a sterling silver, which is really nice. I didn't get the battery changed, so I don't know if the watch works, but it's a nice piece. This is a piece of jewelry by a company called Boma. It's mother of pearl and sterling silver. It's signed Boma, but again, I don't know if you can see the signature because it's very small. I paid just a few dollars for this. Actually, I had purchased like $60 worth of jewelry from someone, and this was one of the bracelets that was inside. I have a group of pendants. They're rose quartz, agate, mother of pearl, all different kinds of things. Let me show you. They're in a sterling bezel. These used to be more unique. You see them around a little bit more now. Here's a butterfly wing. A lot of these were made in England, but they're so of the period. They're so deco. This one, anyway, they did a lot with palm trees. So this one is made in England, actually. Isn't that just lovely? Again, I say it's nicer on the butterfly, though. Then I picked this up. So this is really interesting. This is not gold, although it looks like it is. It's, I guess, gold plated, these are all diamonds. I don't know if you can see how it sparkles. I mean, it really sparkles nicely, and what's really kind of interesting, and this is to attest to how wonderful diamonds are, these are very low quality of diamonds, and yet they still, I mean, if you look at them, I mean, they're just inclusions all over, and yet they still have such a nice shine to them. So I think that says a lot about diamonds. I picked this up. This looks like cubics with a mother of pearl back set in sterling silver. Here's a nice pair of marcasite Again, these are newer. These aren't from the 20s. Then I picked up a whole group of these pins, these military pins. Here are my rings. These are really nice. These were popular during the 20s. They're very deco looking. They're sterling with glass stones. They're not, what's interesting is they're not pave set. They're channel set. Really nice look to them. Modernist ring. Then there's let me see. Then there's this ring, which is like a mesh ring. Tiffany & Company did a lot of these. This isn't Tiffany & Company, but a lot of them I find are made in Italy as well, and this one is, and it's $9.25. Then let's see what else. I have this little section here, and I picked up these religious pieces. This one is signed, but it's hard to see the signature. Nice dimension. A lot of little sterling silver charms. This one is gold filled. Just all these really interesting things. Let's see. Then I got this, which is sterling silver. This was also from the $60 group of jewelry that I got. A little book locket hanging off of a fleur-de-lis pin. I got a lot of these. So these pins are, a lot of them were made, these were all sterling. A lot of them are made in Portugal with this filigree look to them. I guess they specialized in that. And sometimes you see things that are from China, but these are more from Portugal. Then I got these music pin, just this piece from Norway, a tie clip, and then I got necklaces. So this kind of X and O, hugs and kisses, this nice rose quartz. This is a really nice sterling silver. It's called liquid silver necklace. Some semi-precious here. Then I got this. I think, again, I had shown you in another video. This is called a gate beggar's bag. And so they call it that because it opens like a gate, and then it gets filled, I guess, with coins. And what's really nice about this is that it's sterling silver, and this was $5. Then I got some bangle bracelets, again, all sterling silver, that I'm going to try to sell. I got this watch in the $60 box, sterling silver. It's not working, but it's all sterling, and looks like it has a little bit of enamel in it. Really nice necklace, more contemporary, made with semi-precious beads and sterling silver. Then I got these earrings. There's a lot on here. Then I have this lovely, so to me this is like a Native American piece, and yet it's made in Mexico. Just a really great look to it. I got these earrings, which to me look sort of Zuni. They're sterling silver and they're clip. I got these nice earrings and some, oh, here's something that's really cute. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. So this is sterling silver. It's a little table, and these two chairs with it. I'm not really sure what the purpose is. At first I thought the chairs were like a charm, and I guess they could be worn as a charm, but I don't know how you would do that with the table. And it's not for a dollhouse, so I'm really not sure. So anyway, Pandora, some cute little charms, and then all of my semi-precious necklaces here. So just wanted to give you a look of the jewelry that I'm going to be bringing out with me this weekend. Hope you've enjoyed looking and perhaps have learned something, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.